Hi! Kamusta mga kaibigan? Kamusta ang Pasko nyo? So, gumawa ako ng cassava cake. Nakatikim na ba kayo ng napakasarap na cassava cake? Gumawa ako ng cassava cake nung Christmas Eve kasi pinangregalo ko siya sa mga kamag-anak ko dito. Itong cassava cake na ito, I have been making this ever since. And usually, I bring this as something for potluck when we have parties here. So, idedetalye ko kung paano ko siya ginawa at kung paano ko siya ginagawa. At I promise you, masarap talaga ito. Ito nga palang recipe na ito ng cassava cake ay ni-research ko sa YouTube at I'd like to thank Panlasang Pinoy sa recipe na ito. Although, binabawasan ko siya ng sugar kasi masyadong matamis para sa panlasa ko. I'll be putting the link of Panlasang Pinoy in the description. Ito yung mga ingredients. So, grated cheese, eggs, butter. I will melt that later on with the desired amount. Grated cassava, 3 packs. Flour, sugar, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and coconut milk. So, itong gata namin is canned lang kasi wala kaming fresh dito. Meron pero masyado matrabaho. So, I'm just using canned coconut milk. I thawed this grated cassava overnight. So, malambot na siya. In the freezer. Nalabas ko siya sa freezer kagabi. Tapos malambot na siya ngayon. So, yan ang unahin ko ilalagay dito sa ating malaking basin. So, I'm just taking out this grated cassava sa plastic bag niya. Ilalagay ko dito sa malaking basin for mixing. Puro lang ito mixing. Kaya gusto ko itong gawin kasi hindi siya masyadong matrabaho. Kasi medyo matitis pa yung iba para mahalo. Para madali siyang ihalo with the other ingredients. Tapos tinatanggal ko rin itong mga bakit hindi makita? Yan. Yan, tinatanggal ko yung mga yan, yung parang mga roots, I don't know what you call them. Yan. Tinatanggal ko yung mga yan. And sometimes there's lots of them. So, natanggal ko na yung mga fiber pala yung nandun sa paper towel. So, gusto ko lang medyo smooth. Okay, mga fiber na yan. But it's your choice. Pwede rin siguro nandyan lang siya. Tapos, I'm ready to mix the other ingredients here. So, mix. So, unahin ko muna itong butter. And then, I'll mix it. Isa-isa ko siya nilalagay at pinimix ko pa isa-isa din para mas maganda. Para talagang well mixed. Even ang ano. Okay, I'm now putting the condensed milk. I'll put 3/4 of this can kasi sa recipe is 1/2 cup. But I need 3/4 cup kasi double. I mean, 3 packs of grated cassava ang ginamit ko. Yeah, I'm putting in the evap milk. I'm putting in 3/4 cup. Tansya-tansya lang minsan kasi. The cheese, 9 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kasi yung iba, ilalagay ko yan sa toppings. And then mix again. I think for me the secret here is mixing after you put in one ingredient para yung texture niya is pare-pareho talaga, well spread yung mga ingredients natin, well mixed. Okay, so itong sugar nakalagay sa recipe is dapat 21 tablespoons of sugar, pero gagawin ko lang siyang 10 tablespoons. I don't want lots of sugar, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Kasi there's already condensed milk. And pati sa toppings, may sugar and condensed milk pa din. So, matamis din siya in itself. Then I add in the eggs. Nilagay dito, I broke the shell here sa bowl para makita ko kung may shells na na nasama. So far, wala naman. And finally, I'll add in 3 cups of coconut milk. So, 2 cups na yon. Dagdagan ko pa ng kalahati. Kasi yung isang lata is more or less 2 cups. Kasi 400 ml. So, more or less, isa't kalahating lata. So, 3 cups. So, I'm preheating the oven to 350 degrees. And then, we'll be cooking the batter for an hour. So, the batter is ready. I mean, it's almost ready. I'm still mixing it with the final. I'll still be finally mixing it and then put it in the pans. Okay, the batter is ready. For pouring in here in the pans. Nalagyan ko lang siya ng konting oil and brush it all around para hindi siya dumikit. Madali siyang kunin after. Ayun na, nilagay ko siya. So I'll be cooking it for 1 hour. Meantime, maghuhugas muna ako ng nagamit ko. And then, ayusin ko din yung mga kalat ko dito. Okay, so we're ready to make the topping. So I'm warming up this saucepan and then I'll be putting in sugar and flour and the cheese and the cassava and the coconut milk and the condensed milk. So let's see. Init na ba? Not yet. Okay, so the sugar and the flour is there. Mix lang para hindi masunog. And the heat is medium. So I put in the remaining cheese and the condensed milk. At halo-halo lang. I put in the coconut milk also. At halo-halo lang. Hindi mag-thicken or maybe I think it will take 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes to thicken it. So everything is there. Halo-halo ko muna siya. Tapos titingnan ko na lang para hindi siya masunog. Okay, so the topping is ready. I'm just waiting for the... Yeah, so this is the consistency that we want. Medyo malapot. Ayan, luto na siya after an hour. So ilalabas ko siya at lalagyan ko ng toppings. Ayan, so nalagyan ko na ng toppings. Babalik ko siya sa oven and then put the temperature to broil. Ayan na, hanggang mag-brown yung top niya. Minsan nasusunog siya, pero okay. Look, brown na siya. So, mas brown yung isa, pero okay. Nasunog lang. Look at that! It looks good. It looks delicious. Smells delicious. O diba, madali lang talaga siyang gawin. Halo-halo lang at ilalagay lang sa oven. At pagkatapos ng isang oras, ayan na. Masarap. Ang sarap. Usually, pag dinadala ko yan sa mga parties, kung sino man ang nagdadala ng ganyan, talagang patok na patok yan. Talagang nauubos agad. Or gustong-gusto nilang iuwi. Okay? So, subukan nyo at i-share nyo sa akin yung inyong ginawa. Ilagay nyo sa comment. At yeah, salamat sa pagsama sa akin sa vlog na ito. And see you again on the next vlog.